morning, dear children. In today's class, we will revise symmetrical shapes and standard unit of length. So, let us start. Children, Kiran ma'am has already explained you about these topics. So, let us have a quick recap about symmetrical shapes. Children, as you all know, when any shape or figure is divided in two equal halves, we can say that figure is symmetrical figure. For example, in this smiley, you can see vertical line is drawn to divide this face in two equal halves. Means it is symmetrical shape, and the line that divide this shape in two parts are known as symmetrical line. Okay, children, you can draw two or more line of symmetry in the figure. Here you can see two line of symmetry are drawn, and here you can see in this circle you can draw many line of symmetry. Okay, now just have a look on this figure. Here you can see the line is drawn to divide this shape, but the shapes are not identical, or you can say they are not same. It means these figure are asymmetrical figure. Children, can you find and draw two asymmetrical and symmetrical English alphabet in your rough copy? Yes, do it. This is your homework for today. Okay, now let us learn the second topic, that is standard unit of length. Children, you all know standard unit of length is meter, and the other units of length are kilometer and centimeter. Children, you already know that kilometer is the biggest unit of length, and it is used to measure longer distance. For example, distance between two cities and length of a river you can measure in kilometer. Now second one is meter. Children, meter is the bigger unit of length, and it is used to measure bigger distances. For example, length of a room, height of a tree, height of a school building, etc. are measures in meter. Now third one is centimeter. Children, centimeter is a smaller unit, and it is used to measure smaller distance. For example, length of a chalk, length of your maths book, length of pen or pencil, etc. And you also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, now let us learn about the conversion. Children, one thing you have to remember about the conversion: when you change big unit in a small unit, you always multiply. But when you change a small unit in big unit, you always divide. Correct? I am repeating once again. When you want to convert big unit in a small unit, you always multiply. Okay, but when you want to convert a smaller unit in bigger unit, then you always divide. Let us understand this by examples. Okay, children, before that you must know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, half meter is equal to 50 centimeter, 1 by 4 meter is equal to 25 centimeter, and 3 by 4 meter is equal to 75 centimeter. Okay, now let us see example. Here you have to convert 5 whole 1 by 4 meter in centimeter. Children, as you all know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 5 meter is equal to 5 multiplied by 100, that is 500 centimeter. Now 1 by 4 meter is equal to 25 centimeter. So this 25 centimeter will be added in 500 centimeter and the answer will be 525 centimeter. Now let us clear this with one more example. Here you can see 8 whole 3 by 4 meter in centimeter. 8 meter, to convert 8 meter in centimeter, you will multiply it by 100, because you all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So when you have multiplied 8 by 100, it comes 800. Now 3 by 4 meter is equal to 75 centimeter. So these two are added together and the answer is 875. Okay children. Now let us see how can we convert centimeter to meter. Now to convert centimeter to meter, you always divide by 100, because 1 meter has 100 centimeter. Now here I have taken two examples for you. First one is 945 centimeter. So you will divide it by 100. Here two zeros are there. This two zeros, so it means you will remove two digits from here and this will be centimeter and the leftover digit will be meter. Okay. Now just have a look in the second example. Here same way we will do. We will divide 1230 by 100 and here two zeros are in 100. So we will remove two digits from the above number and this will be centimeter and the left digits will be meter. Children, hope you all have understood this method of conversion. So please do practice at home. Thank you and have a nice day.